So the first step in achieving financial freedom is you're going to have to set up an emergency fund. We harp about this over and over again, especially on otter.com, because you have to plan for emergencies. Think back to like when you had a flat tire, or when like a medical emergency happened, or you had a broken window, something happened to the AC in the house. You get the picture. What do you reach for? Well, you don't have the cash in the bank, and if you do, you use what little cash you have. And so you have to typically pull out the credit cards. That's what I've done in the past. That's probably what you've done in the past. But what does that do ultimately? You guessed it, put you back further in debt. And so by setting aside an emergency fund, building up to a certain goal, it's going to help alleviate you from using those credit cards again when we get into step number 3. And so what benchmark do you need to reach in order to establish a solid emergency fund? That's really going to depend on your financial situation, your circumstance, how much money you make per year. And so what I like to do is try to build up to $1,000. And I know $1,000 seems like a lot, but you're going to set milestones. So first, if it's hard for you to save up to $100, let's start there. That's going to be the first milestone. The end target, the 9th inning, is going to be that $1,000 that we're trying to get to towards an emergency fund. So set up a plan and start saving little by little to get to $100. Maybe you need to take a second job, side income. Maybe you need to start driving for Lyft, Uber, or charging up those scooters called Bird. Whatever the case may be, some way to earn extra income to build up that emergency fund. Once you get to $100, see if you can start saving up towards $250, and then start reaching those benchmarks until you get to $1,000. But it doesn't stop right there, because what's going to happen is now you need to put that money into a bank, at least keep it in the bank if you already have it in there, and don't touch it unless it's an extreme, true emergency. Okay? Go ahead and look in the next video. We're going to talk about life insurance.